Welcome to Pure Rustic Decoration. Today, we're exploring how a small and ordinary terrace can be transformed into a charming rustic garden without spending a lot of money. With a little creativity, some old furniture, recycled materials, beautiful plants, and simple handmade decorations, even the smallest outdoor space can become a warm and inviting place to relax. The beauty of a rustic garden is that everything doesn't have to be new or perfect. Old wooden crates can become simple plant stands, while weathered wood can be reused as shelves, tables, or decorative frames. Vintage containers, old metal buckets, enamel pots, and even forgotten household items can find a new purpose among the plants. Add plenty of greenery and flowers at different heights to make the terrace feel more natural and layered. A small wooden chair or an old bench can instantly create a cozy sitting corner. Add a soft cushion, a woven throw, or a small vintage table, and the space becomes perfect for enjoying a quiet morning coffee or an afternoon tea. For an extra rustic touch, use simple handmade decorations such as hanging planters, wooden signs, old lanterns, terracotta pots, and baskets. For the floor, natural-looking materials, simple outdoor rugs, and weathered wooden details can help bring everything together. And when evening arrives, warm string lights or small lanterns can completely change the atmosphere. The goal isn't to create a perfect garden. It's to create a space that feels personal, peaceful, and full of character. With inexpensive materials and a little imagination, things that were once forgotten can become beautiful parts of your outdoor space. A small terrace can become so much more than just an empty outdoor area. With rustic furniture, recycled materials, flowers, greenery, and a few thoughtful DIY touches, you can create your own cozy little garden retreat on almost any budget. If you enjoy rustic gardens, vintage decorating, DIY projects, and simple outdoor living, make sure to subscribe to Pure Rustic Decoration for more inspiring ideas. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next rustic transformation.